Morning Sunlight Affirmation Meditation with Dr. O. Hello. Welcome to your morning reset. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Imagine warm sunlight touching your face. Soft, golden, energizing. Feel the light spread across your chest. Your shoulders relax. Your breathing becomes calm and steady. As the sun rises higher, silently repeat, I am awake. I am present. I am grateful for this day. I welcome positive energy. I release yesterday's burdens. Today is a new beginning. I am strong. I am focused. I am aligned with my purpose. The warmth of the sun fills me. Warmth of hope. Warmth of confidence. Warmth of joy. My mind is clear. My energy is calm. My intentions are strong. I attract opportunities. I follow clarity. I trust the process of life. With each breath, I am more energized, more aware, more alive. Now take one final deep breath. Feel the sun's energy in your heart. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Today is yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meditation videos only on Dr. O. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.